Okay, Inner Decay, Down to Civilization. This is a good riff to practice some palm muting. So we have okay, I want to go play it slow, and we just have two down palm mutes here on the open string. Okay, and those, you're going to let those notes ring out. Okay, that's on the 7th fret on the 4th string. And that's going to be, so we're going to do 10, 9, and this is 8. And that final one is 5 to 8. So everything's returning to the 8 right there. So okay, there's a little bit of an artificial harmonic, but you get the main idea. And you are skipping some strings there. So when you do that first riff, you're going to skip that 5th string. Alright, let me know if you found that useful, and I just think it's a good way to practice your downstrokes and your palm muting together, and it's a very catchy riff. Alright, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.